So today I got some food and snacks and stuff from Buc-ee's. So then first I got these chicken and fries. Well, I never did try them yet, so I'm gonna try them right now. I think you have to open it from the side.
Oh, the back, you just need to rip the
Wait,
tag.
you do? Oh, rip the same. Oh, yeah, right. Oh no! That's how to do it. You have to use the holes. Oh yeah, I got it. Good. Oh yeah, you do it from the back. Oh my! Look at those chicken tendies.
These look good. Are you good?
Okay, pretty good. I give them 8 out of 10.
Oh
No chicken fingers. I'm gonna get the better one. These things are fat chicken tender.
Oh, a fat chicken.
Fat chicken tender! Trying to get out. Rip off. Hey, we got the chicken. I'm circling. It's actually really good. 7.5 out of 10. Just have a lot of stuff to try, so I'll just put that aside. I still got a Prime, of course I did. But there was like 4 whole big rolls of Prime. Oh, I got it. And nice. I got the lemonade Prime. But then also got a slushie. I got the Coke slushie. That's good. Ooh, I got the animal cookies. I'll try these.
Can you open them?
No, I can open them. Wait, here, let's try. That's actually cool. Okay. Just got them. They're in the bag. Ooh. Very good. Those are actually way better than I was expecting. I give them like a 9 out of 10. Ooh, no. I'll have to try this when I get back to my house, the cinnamon roll.
Because you're sharing that with your mama.
Yeah, I am. What do you mean? I'll keep that back there. And then I got a parfait.
Hold on, are you going to open it?
What? Yeah, well, I know. I can still close it.
Okay, but I don't know if the top, I don't.
Yeah. Oh, no. I'll try that when I get back. Because it's still gonna be open. And it might get out in the bag.
I don't think the top is, yeah, the top's separate, I think. Can you open it?
Wait. Ooh, I got a block of chocolate.
Chocolate fudge.
Yeah. Oh. I'm freaking emotional. Oh. Wait, I just break through that. Whoa. I see a block. I just got a block of chocolate fudge. I know.
I have to say, I did not think Buc-ee's, like, I thought it was going to be overrated. Like, I didn't know how people were traveling to go to Buc-ee's. I figured it was like a gas station Walmart mixed together. It was all the hype.
That's actually really good.
Literally, I would drive an hour to come here and eat. I just had the Texas cheesesteak burrito. It was so good. And their iced coffee, I ain't making like a good iced coffee myself. Buc-ee's is one thing I thought was overrated, and it's not. We just spent another $100 on there getting food and snacks, and I got actually a
That's actually good.
it is. No, I don't want to buy this food, but it's stuffed. He's making a YouTube video. If you don't follow him, you should. He's hilarious. Okay.
9 out of 10. Very good. And of course I have to swallow a bit. Or if I know it. But then, wait. Anyway, in the prime. Okay. But I also, if you not see, I have a Buc-ee's blanket on right now. Look at the eyeball. And wait, do I have enough? Okay, good. Oh, wait, I still have this. What's this? Wait, what the heck? Huh? Oh, it's just a mug from the desk. Well, bye guys, please like and subscribe.